Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play music on your Ola S1 Air scooter. First, ensure your scooter's software is updated to the latest Move OS version for optimal performance. Your Ola S1 Air comes equipped with high-fidelity built-in speakers, allowing you to enjoy your favorite tunes while riding. This feature enhances your daily commute, making every journey more enjoyable and personalized. You can easily manage your audio experience directly from the scooter's intuitive 7-inch touchscreen display. To begin playing music, you will need to connect your smartphone to the Ola S1 Air via Bluetooth. Start by enabling Bluetooth on both your phone and the scooter's dash. On your phone, search for available devices and select scooter name Music to initiate pairing. Confirm the pairing passcode on both your scooter's dash and your mobile device to establish a secure connection. Once paired, your phone will automatically connect when within range, ensuring a seamless experience. Once your phone is successfully connected, you can control your music directly from the Ola S1 Air's dash and D-pad. Use the dedicated buttons to play or pause your current track with ease. You can also skip to the next song or go back to the previous one using the track change controls. Adjusting the volume is simple. Just use the volume controls on the handlebar. This allows you to keep your hands on the handlebars and focus on the road. For the best audio experience, ensure your phone is fully charged and within close proximity to the scooter. Keep your scooter's software updated to receive the latest enhancements and bug fixes for Bluetooth connectivity. If you encounter any issues, try restarting both your phone and the scooter. You can also reset the Bluetooth settings on your scooter's dash to clear any previous connections. These simple steps will help ensure a smooth and enjoyable music playback experience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.